Hi, welcome to the English Grill. My name is Paul. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Crêpes Suzette for pancake day. Okay? So first I'm going to add the sugar. So a nice thin layer of sugar across the whole bottom of the pan. Start to make the caramel sauce. The sugar's just starting to melt, so now we're going to add the butter. So that makes the caramel. Okay, so as this starts to change colour, we go in with the lemon juice. So it'll stop the caramel burning and balance out the sugar. Then next point is orange and lemon peel. And you want to continually keep stirring it. Okay. Then orange juice. So that's the Crêpes Suzette sauce. And again, just keep stirring. To check whether the sauce is ready for the pancakes to go in, you run the back of a spoon through the sauce. And you can see it's just starting to thicken on the bottom of the pan. That's when the pancakes are ready to go in. So first pancake in. You turn the pancakes over so there's nice sauce all through them. And then move the sauce to the back of the pan with the pancakes. So when you flambe, the flames aren't next to you, they're further away. Okay. So now with the Grand Marnier. Then you've got your nice thick caramel sauce. Turn the heat off. Then this just goes over the pancakes. And here we go, the perfect Crêpes Suzette.
And here is our famous Grand Brûlée, which goes perfectly well with Paul's Crêpes Suzette.